The humanitarian impact of the fighting on Gaza has been devastating, compounding an already dire situation as the UN seeks emergency financing to meet the very acute and immediate needs on the ground.
The money is to meet the very immediate needs, so food, health, medicines, medical supplies, trying to get some of the infrastructure repaired very, very quickly.
The United Nations says some 800,000 people no longer have regular access to safe piped water, while 58 education facilities, 6 hospitals and 11 primary healthcare centres have been damaged at a time when healthcare systems are already overburdened by COVID-19. Limited fuel and destruction to electricity infrastructure has reduced access to electricity to a daily average of just 4 to 6 hours per day. While the psychosocial impacts of war remain acute, including for the staff of the UN's Relief and Works Agency for Palestinian refugees, who continued to provide support, including at school shelters during the conflict.
Every morning, they overcame the gripping fear and made the dangerous journey to our health centers and schools turn into shelters to help those in need.
As the Security Council's inability to shape a solution to the decades-long conflict was brought into sharp relief.
As you all know, since the founding of the United Nations, the Security Council has passed multiple resolutions on the Palestine problem and the Arab-Israeli conflict. These issues have taken up more of the time and energy of your body than any other global issue. Most of these resolutions have not been implemented or respected.
He called for international efforts to deal with the root causes of the conflict that remain unresolved, despite the regular cycles of violence and ceasefires. The UN also noted Hamas rocket direct hits in multiple locations in Israel, causing damage to residential and commercial property while injuring hundreds. Siobhan Briceby's SABC News, New York.